Well, hello there. Crouch down in my blind because it's so freaking windy. If I get up, the wind just blows into the camera and you can't really hear that well. But it's mid-November. It's been right at 3 weeks since I was last out here. Last time I was out here is when I made that video where I shot all the pigs with my shotgun. But it's really cold. It's actually snowing a little bit. So I'm going to hunt the afternoon, stay the night, and I'm going to hunt the morning. So hopefully one of my two target bucks will come in. It was funny, I checked the camera, and I can't really be too upset because I wasn't going to hunt that stand anyways. But my target buck came into that stand. He's been coming in there in the morning, the past 3 mornings. And so I'm going to hunt that one. A little change of plans. I'm going to check a couple other cameras, but I think I'm going to hunt that one in the morning. So let's see how it goes. It's pretty cold. I got this new hoodie. Man, this thing is nice. My wife bought it for me from Target for like $19. And it's warm. I'm really impressed. Don't think I'd wear it during black bear season though. Probably get my ass shot. So anyways, I'm gonna stick around. Hopefully a nice buck comes in. I hope pigs don't come in, but if they do, you know what I'm gonna do. Well, I told you what I was going to do if some pigs came in, so I shot them. I tried to get that second one on a follow-up shot, but I hit the damn tree. But I smoked that first one. Walk down here, pick him up, drag him in the bushes. Maybe some more pigs or a deer will come in, but I blew the crap out of him. I'm going to turn around real quickly, you see it. Here's the branch I hit. And then here's the pig I shot. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. I'll put that right where I want it. Oh, yeah. I no longer get in the stand, and I look to my left and I see this group of hogs coming in. Now, I didn't think I was going to have enough light to get good footage of this shot, but the pigs came in. They were a little skittish. I guess they could smell and see the blood from that hog I just put down. And I was waiting to line up 2 or 3. I was hoping to get multiple pigs with one shot, which I did line up pretty well. But the first pig I shot, I hit him right in the spine, and I was aiming a little high, hoping that bullet would go through and go right through the vitals of that second pig. But if you're familiar with Hornady SSTs, they fragment pretty well, which I like for most game that I shoot in this area, but they did not penetrate and go into that second pig, so I was only able to drop one hog with that first shot. all the pigs are running to the left, so I was hoping I can catch one in this clearing, but unfortunately, I didn't see any. Well, that didn't take long at all. I no longer got in the stand. A couple minutes go by, and the pig comes trotting in. So I was able to get one. I hit another one up in the trees. I'm gonna look for that one. I don't know if you'll hear him squealing or not on the camera, but I'm gonna drag this pig in the woods and see if another one comes in.